Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to view in YouTube Studio what subscribers you have that also happen to have the largest follower accounts. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do on your main dashboard in YouTube Studio, scroll all the way down to the bottom of that page, and then underneath recent subscribers, go ahead and select the See All button. And then you can adjust by highest to lowest by selecting the subscriber count tab at the top, and it will adjust it in ascending or descending order. If you want to see all time biggest subscriber counts that have followed you, you can click on the drop down at the top right and then select lifetime, last 365 days. You can select the different time parameters in there, and that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.